nangyari?
Hindi ba? Ahali kami sa kapilihan, nagtimbang kami ni Manay nun. Baka naghapit kami sa LCC. Oo, diretso. Wala ko sa ruda. Uli. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the sending the heart. I'm still at the market. I'm going on now. Thank you so much for watching. Hello, people. Yes, so we can find these people. Thank you, thank you so much. Hi, famous lovers. Buwaba Lutz. Thank you, Raj. Thank you so much. Raj. Make it so God.
Ulangan bilang mo. Oo. Atong studio ka na. Ay, balik pa ka nito. Ano? Bayadan mo sa gawin nyo. Hi, Sander. Well, I'm unwell. Thank you, 7 people.
Hi, Jonah. Sandler, hindi. Nor fry, fat, fat, I guess. Bakit? Bakit? Hindi nga kita kailangan. Hi, John. Hi po. Where are you? I'm at the market. Tricycle.
Gusto na yun natin magkumali ka na lang. Ha? Gusto na kayo, kumali ka na lang.
Almost 9. It's evening. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Thank you, 9 people. Salamat po. Thank you po. Hi, Mark. Wait lang, wala pa. From Brazil, England. Hi, Edgar. Konto.
Ay, bili sa ako. Uli. Kain ka. Kaya ikot ka lang tabi na no, side Wednesday ho.
Bicycle. Ano tricycle po.
Ikaw lang ba ate?
You're interesting. I think she got arrested and she's going. Hi, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie. Going home on a tricycle. God. Hi, Donnie. Thank you, Donnie. Run, Cheryl. This is bad. Oh my god. I'm free. It's called tricycle. Going home. Ay, sus. Okay. I don't do.
Wait kung nainunan sa table. Ito na may TV. Ano yung mga bunot niya sa
Believe. Thing is, oh wow, thanks. Hit the lights.
Ito ka kapit mo.
Now, sure. Hi, Alex. That's always fun. Thank you, Alex. What's up, Jay? Don't come back, right? God. I don't have to run right. Hi, Hex. Long time no see. Go ahead.
Hindi ata ra kumor. Hindi ka lang kasi dito ka na.
Ano, Ruben? Ruben!
Wait lang, kay Ma.
Ruben!
Doon ka na. Dito na kami.
Ben! Ben! Ay, Ruben! Ay! Dito na lang siya sa akin. Doon na lang ako sa luwas. Kasunod lang siya, ano. Right, wait lang.
Ay, tumalong na lang ini si ano, si Madam Sire. Ay, ako nang
Okay. Tulong ka ganyan. Ay, dito ka lang sa sulod. Oo.
Kasulod.
Ay, may masulod ako. Naman ako. Ato dyan. Hindi man.
Ulog ka doon. Bili ka lang, Tim.
Dito ka na. Sinini na lang andun. Dito na, ikaw na. Ikaw na, ikaw na. Ako, kaya nga luluwas ako kay para dito ka. Mga putka.
I'm outside. Oh.
Happy trip.
Yeah, hope you had a good Christmas, man. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. That was exciting last night. Yeah, exciting last night. Many viewers last night. Thanks. Hi, Jerry. Oh my God. Yes. Hi, trip. Long time here. Enjoy. Hopes tonight had a quiet context. What about you? Well, last night, Jan, I have many people on the live. Almost 200 people. Hi. Wow. Wow. Province life. I had a nice top night That's Southern J, and my Christmas was pretty laid back this year. That's nice. people. Thank you so much. 15 people likes. DJ Ricky. DJ Ricky. O, diba?
Kanina.
O, diba? Nano pa man. Ka-survive man gihapon.
Lang.
Oh.
Uy, wait lang.
Ay, sorry.
Ano, bebe?
Pizza na pala.
Sandra. Uy, okay na sa akin naman.
The Indra Sound. Oh my, where are you going if you don't mind? I'm going home. In Brazil. I almost 5:45. 22 people.
Diba? Meron tayo.
Ako na ako.
Name po.
Dire. Ano ba yun? Yun, gataan. Ay, may suruda na. Nagwala ka ng suda?
Bakal ni Mamay.
Mauna lang yun.
Maula.
Pwede man. Pero kay may gatakang nararaot.
Sige, mauna lang yan. Di kayo maiba ako.
Ate, uy.
Mabis na, sumabik eh. Ano pa rin?
Wala lang yung tita.
Thank you so much. 3 people in the house.
Wala ka pa kung dito.
Ano na ba ako?
Ay, wow. Parang daging sagana tayo sa ano.
Feeding.
May papiling si Ate.
Yung sabi sa live ko, parang lagi sa inyong tahimik ka. Sasabunta ako, parang lagi sa inyong tahimik ka. Para na ano sa live ko na po yun nun. Salamat. Ay, nag-ano kami ni Manay, no? Nag-Jollibee kami. Nag-Jollibee kami. Thank you, 28 people. Thank you so I'm home now. Jan, I'm home na. Already home na.
Sarap.
Thank you. O, diba?
Nagpulo ko.
Oh my God.
Ay, patay na.
34 people in the house. Thank you so much. Aray. Aday. Thank you, 15. Nana.
Kapag na sigap kumakaunso na sa pasong.
Gabriel!
Ito dito.
Nagdana na yung ano ko, Gabriel. Gab! Mag-aong ka. Magdalindan ka.
Tapos dito, pwede yun. Dito ka, ano.
Dito may sopas.
Pwede yun.
May bihon. Ikaw na lang ang nasa sa'yo na lang.
May mangko doon.
Diri ka magpo-problema.
Ito, mangko. Ate. Ate, dyan. Kuya Ben. Nakapambuno na daw.
37 in the house. Thank you so much.
Oy.
Ayaw ka raraway. Bawal ang naraway.
Pipilit mo matig-ug ka.
Tapos ka naman.
Dali pa, para ano, babaan bulong. Makuha ko lang ini. Ayok ka man. Para mayo.
Thank you so much. 32 people. I'm home now.
Ay, sa aga. Ben, sa aga, ano, barangka.
Ayaw mo na? Ay, sabi ko, nakakaw na siya. Sabi ko, burugan ko na kung tayo. Saan ka naman parang pwede. Saga, ayaw na. Ano ba naman ang anin niya? Mga makwapo.
Gulay.
Sige, nalanog na mga makwapo. Wala lang ang lutoon tao na. Kita sila. Shake.
Iba.
Huwag na lang.
Iba.
So, iba. Kabutangan ta.
Wala man ako sa di, ano, mahimo ko sumadaya. Anak ko. Wala kang sukad na na yan, dako. Dali, dulo, naku, ay, dulo, ina po. Papa, lulo. Hindi pa sa babag, makita yan. Bagal din na kami sa mga kakinaan. Gusto niya Kuya, ako na yan diya. Ano nga naman? Ayun, si Lolo.
Ako yun.
Huwag ka.
Tagin sa iyo. Bigla ka natin.
May labuyo. Yun ako, tita. Yun ako.
Bye.
Sabi ko ba di malimutan mo magbaga? Bibi? Are, hindi pa nakatakta. Ayun,
Ano ba? Palo pa. Sabong naman. Ay, may sabaw. Nanadagay ka nag-inom sabaw. Alas na. May sabaw.
Kaya man, naman sa ano, gusto ko.
Min, aday ko. Magsigit ka na, di ka man dumakaw.
Kaya,
Kuya, ako yan.
Shift people. Ay, baba na. Uran tulo sa uran. Uran tulo sa. Di ako Ano ko kuha? Ano ka dito? Ooh, in the middle of the night, my dreams, baby.
isa talagang matuyas siya maging kira po ang dato sa butong lang. So, ay, mas lang.
Leila!
Dat mo yung mga pagkaya na buyag, dapat pagkagat diri mag-iwi.
Leila!
Dito ba sa? Ka!
Leila!
Kaya gawin dito si Rin. Buyag. Magkagat ito ng iba, dapat diri mag-iwi.
Kaya ko sa'yo.
Leila, me!
Oo, ito yung mag-iwi. Para ano, reaksyon. Ngayon ito pala nga eh, malaki na. Kagaton pa kaya. Apa ikaw?
Narada.
Wow. Hindi na mainit.
Hi, Scott Houston.
Ayun pa.
Hello from Canada. Hi,
Ayun
Scott
pa.
Houston. Thank you for joining.
Yo.
From Canada.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Ito na lang inabutang na. Yo! Tayo! Yan ka, doon mo talaga. Ikaw!
Talaga na.
Sorry ng bibig. Nasaro.
Sabi ni Tita Ile, sa tiguran mo daw kung sisiya kay inyang harap, ang balik-balik ang kalentura. Pwede ano man niya. Dinggi.
Sino na dinggi? Ay, si ano?
Kaya sisiyaw ka.
Kaya nga si ano pala, si Janet pala.
Yan, sa dinggi din. Gusto pa na talaga dinggi kay urang init. Chat niya na.
Balik nagbalik naman, may kalentura yan.
Nami na kasi pamasyal.
Badi nagka. Karusog. Nagkarusog.
Labi na. May nayad pala yung namasyarada sa... Si Ram! Ram na magungit, ha?
Ginguan na.
Sarap? Uy, nako na talaga. Marunong na magungit. Pangata pala ang sikihaw. Isip ko ng bibig.
Ito.
Hindi na nanonood.
Alas 12.
Dosin?
Natapos ako mga alaw.
Sarang oras lang.
Na ngayon ba naman? Sa'yo, di ko ta kumala. Di ko ta kumain. Matulog sa kauras. Lawak na. Di ko sa salay mo na. Iba yun. Di ko ba na?
Kalay?
Thank you so much, people in the house.
Sino ba sabaw?
Sabaw, inom sabaw. Kasi 60 ada ako magabi.
60?
Kasi na-convert niya sa sa peso. 333.
Pinamababa ilan?
Malayas naman ganyan sa ba?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Pusi mo ba sabaw?
Hindi ko lang alam.
Ako naman na rin dito na kala.
Mayroon pa.
Kasi, ubus na.
Yadio, sarap kay Minyada.
Ano ka lang kaya kasi may bijay na.
Kasi, baka nila ako kasi sinanong. Kasi, baka nila ako sa
Nagutom? Waloy, madaubusan. Itsura ba yun? Mariyata pa na? Ano? Sige daw. Hindi madali.
Thank you, 7 people.
Pagdirig ka doon, matungtungan ka doon. Nalitan ko.
Tod! Ayun no. Ayo, uli na sa kilay, uli. Uli na. Uli na dito.
Gis na, no? Na bawang, 5 na paminta.
Gis na bawang, siguro paminta. Hayo! Uli na ito! Nabak na dila.
Thank you.
Ate Sheila. Ay!
Tawag guys. Hi Mark, you look so nice and slim. Thank you Mark.
Wala ko, pag naano ka biyo.
Hi Vanya. I'm kind of small. I'm pretty slim.
Panita. Kita ang biyo, lubos na. Yadi, may pa.
Nagano ako, nagayo.
Ano? Lubos na biyo. Yadi.
Ako iya.
Butang ko sa bangko, kay kung ano naman sa puting pano sa karama.
Thank you Von. Thank you so much. Hello.
Sa ako yala.
Mimin. Nagalo ako makaroni.
Inulang si Jaila. Marang na magungi. Oo, marang na magungi.
Gagayon.
Basta kami magkao, kumakaram. Oo.
Wow, galing.
Yung bata nga yung Jaila, pero na akong biluwa niya. Mao? Jaila, di, makaon mo. Ay, nga kapit sa piling. Ano ba? Sa dikel. Si Aya? Gusto lang siya. Di ba po sa ano? Sabi ni Mayna, di man kono. Di man kono, ano? Ay, Pares. Hinato dahil pag nang kita, kung di rin yung ano.
Kapag siya sa undernourished, kaya ito, nakalista siya saan?
Kaya pa man.
Stunted. Ma'am siya, ma'am. Kulang sa timbang, kulang sa height.
Nasa jail na mama. Walang sakay.
Oo, kulang sa timbang, kulang sa height.
Maburubo, masugat ikaw. Ako na ha, ayaw ni Lola ha. Kita bes. Higot sa pig. Higot sa pig. Muna bagadungan ko sa dalanot.
Ang dilaw.
Pag naglalanot mo ang papa, ay kita mo gusto ka siya. Ay, ay, sa mga bata, kaya dimanda rin. May yung pasaro. Ay, nakalive nga yan. Ha? Ba anak ko yun ito ba? Parang sa maksay. Nakuha na rin. Inom ba? Wala na ni baby. Yay! Ilayo.
Taro lang.
Wala na baby. Yan yung mga lang kita.
Ikaw sinagkaon?
Kasi, ano ikaw, patalasong ka.
Ano sa magbutang?
Kasi, ano ikaw, kaya ikaw na nagulit ka.
Lamig ko dito na yung felas tusis sa gabi.
Kaya nagdila, no, kapag ako kamo sa mga tubig.
In the middle of the night.
Yan, nagdila niyo.
Baby.
Pwede ka na ano?
Pag-armi na, nag-ano na ako, mata-matahan ko. Subukan ko mag-
Ano si Aya? Ano si Aya, mama? Ano si Aya?
Are they still your family? Yes. All of here are family. We are family.
Si Jamel? Si Jamel? Rin. Yan lang, nag-abot. Ate Men, ang duwa. Ay, kapag si Tin.
Sino? Tapos sino?
Mag-ano, Karina.
Mark, you're not 32. You look 60 from the beginning. Hover, hi Hover, Angelo. This is not the Mark, the other. It's maybe the Brox. Ito, the Brox last night. Thank you, 7 people. You're absolutely right. I'm not 32. Can I walk closer to 60? It's okay, it's fine. It doesn't matter.
Sako daw yung short.
Hi, Hover Angelo. Oh my God, sweetie, you look so beautiful and so pretty. Where are you from, Hover? No. Why you see your 32 then? Why you see 32 then? Oh my God.
What's that?
Doggies.
Toge?
Kakaangkatan.
Gusto kong sa lupit.
Patay mo.
Ayaw na niya.
Hi, thank you.
Ay, paano hindi ka kaya mo din mo?
Oh my God, sweetie, you are so good girl than I ever seen in my life. Can you show me your gurgles? Please let me see your gurgles. Please. Oh, I never said I was 32, man. I'm 52 years old. I've always said I was 52. Yes. He said 52, not 32. He said 52, not 32. I bet you're the prettiest among your family. Oh my God, you're blind.
Dili ko na ako kung pumapasa na yung...
If you saw me, my family, they are beautiful than me. Yeah.
Hi! Tapos sa'yo ka magbaba? Wala sila Tita Ash. Wala si Tita Ash. Dali.
Okay, then I didn't understand. Sorry. Yes, he always said he's 52, not 32. It's okay, it's fine. Paano ba ang da-da-da-da-da-da? Ang nadarama ang paligoy-ligoy-ligoy, paligoy-ligoy.
Pwede yung darati sa simbahan. Sila?
What's your fab song? My fab song, Lead Me Lord.
Zumba.
My favorite song is Led Me Lord, like Led Me Lord, lead me by the hand. All my days, all my life, you will. Can we see your stomach? Why? What happened to my stomach? You wanna see my stomach? Sexy. Todd Baker. Di ko maintindihan ang niladama ko sa'yo. Di ko na kaya umarap pa ng iba, pagkat ikaw lang ang tanging sinasamba. Alam mo ba, kapag ko feeling ka, bawat sandali ay walang kasing ligaya. Iyak ang puso ko, sumisigat, pati ang isip ko, damdamin ay hinihiyak. Todd, stop! Not going to no. Stop showing photographs, Mika. Thank you so much, Yvonne. Thanks so much. Thank you. 10 people now. Come on.
pyramid yun. Yan. First time din. Ang hirap kaya magamit ng ano to?
Okay na yun. Oo, kaya nga eh. I wish I was a good dancer like you. You can dance, easy. You can start the basic steps like this. Tapos and then something first like this. You want to step like this. Then the body you can move the body. Like first step. Go 1, 2, step. Something like that. You move the body, then before that, even you can remove this, the body you can. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm not. Hi, Aya! Aya!
Si Aya. Tita.
Si Lola!
Wawa. Ano ba yan? Lola, tita.
Si Wawa!
Wawa.
Si Wawa! Andan na.
Aya.
Si Aya, ang wala ka kulungan.
Aya.
Andil. Lami, isang angat na yun.
Hindi ka na nagpakabit ka. Ayo! Ay, kung matutuwa nyo. Uy, Bibi Aya, ano? Bibi Jayla, yan na si Aya ho! Nagdudulag. Aya! Ayan lang ikaw. Akan yan lang ikaw. Aray ko, aray ko na. Aray ko, Bibi man. Aray ka, papay? Akan yan lang ikaw. Aray ko, Bibi.
Oh my God.
Kalungkot ni Bibi Aya ho, magsalong ka ko na. Uy, ayaw! Bibi Ash! Mahal si Bibi Aya, nana si Aya. Hello! Ano Rico? Ano kita ay? Ayan. Hindi, nanggigigil pa. Oh no! Dito ka dyan ang saya. Oh no! Mama mo.
Oh no.
Jayda, si Bibi Aya mo. Ano si Papay? Bibi Aya? Wala pa rin ako
What are you having for dinner? Fish with coconut milk. Fish with coconut milk.
Baliktad! Aya! Aya! Ina kita! Aya! Si Aya! Ashley! Nandito si Dada. Musika! Uy! Hindi mo pagparano na lang.
Pinili ko pa rin si Aya.
Ano na dinada mo?
Anda na. Anda. Kaya man nagkakaras kugang ka ngayon.
Iwan mo sa pintir. Kaya no sa susunod.
Oo, naman ko sa video.
Gusto hindi na suruan. Ang daos na ang lamisak pinabalin to. Kaya niya. Makusubon nga ni. Hindi naman niyagan niya. Di imbis na kaya. Tinaasahan. Ba yung Bibi Aya? Ano ba?
Ay, labas daw, Aya.
Aya. Kakalikot mo. Okay niya lang ikaw Bibi Aya nagkade. Ha? Muni, bas may tubig yun. May tubig yung bibi. Ay, sali kayo may tubig yan. Dance na lang, dali, dance. Oh, dance, dali. Ay, agad ah. Dance, dali.
Dance, dance, dance.
Tulog si Papa.
Ayan, dance na yan.
Si Papa, tulog.
Ay, ng sungkod.
Ay, nagsungkod si Papa. Ay, nagkakalian ng pagod. Ay, nagsungkod si Papa. Ay, nagsungkod si Papa. Ay, nagsungkod si Papa. Alin na, nagsabibayan, sungkod ni Papay. Bibi, di mo bibi pagparaan mo ng ulo ni Aya, ha? Pagpalitan ka sa mamasad to. Ay! Ay, pasok na ba? Dance ka lang ikaw, dali na. Kaya na kami ni Ate. Oo, dali na. Dance.
Wow, ang galing
Kaya,
niya.
Aya.
Aya, si Aya. Dance na Aya.
Nagigil siya. Dance.
Aya.
Dali na.
Si Aya.
Kasaya man yun. Tinitingin ko na sayang. Ayaw, video. Ayaw. Kay Tito Tan, ay kay ano yan, Tito Tantoy.
Ranso Ropo. Ranso Ropo. Hano-san. Maayong banggi. Maayong banggi. Ang magapohan. Aya. Maayong banggi. Thank you, Bon. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, Hegs.
Manunay ko magliwan. Ate mo man. Wala ka na ako. Pagaan ko ka. Pagaan ako. Oo nga, sabi ko na magliwan. Matulong. Nagkaki siya pa sa music. Nagkaki siya. Dakway ka ni Bado. Nagkaki ka labahan ta.
Thank you, Hegs. Thank you so much. God bless us, guys.
Dapat ka man ito masambo dadao. Ay, natagin niya bibigay na bibigay. Mamaya na. Daw. Sabi ko lang yung ito dyan. Ah! Kada bibig!
I will come back later. Thank you, Yvonne. Take your time, Yvonne. I have to leave. Bye. Take your time, Yvonne. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Cheryl. Take your time, guys.
Ikaw magkarat yung ura, kasi. Ikaw mo na doon magkarat yaw.
Thank you so much for watching.
Oy.
Many people in the house.
Hindi ka magparala kung sinakan ka na ayaw. Asli, hindi mo pagkaraan mo sa ulo, ha? Ikaw na nga naman, ha? Ikaw, nabatima ka? Ikaw ako nagigigil ka, hindi mo pagkaraan mo sa ulo, ha? At kagalitan ka sa nama, ha? Ikaw, pagpuna mo man, ha? May mo kay ikaw na patmas ka ni Bidela. Iba man ang gigil mo, gang. Iba ka, Fernando. Oo nga, de. Minsan iniirupsun mo. Pag ano sa talulo. Sino? Bidela. Ay, Bidela sa Aya. Pag nanggigigil si Ann. Iniirupsun natin, oh.
Uni ko ihuman lang luwat yan to.
Hi, Mardoke. Hagin Mardoke. Hi, Hegs. Long time no see. William. Hello. Oh, you always see that, William.
Nothing's new.
Akatsuki, hey, remember me? Yes, I remember you. Thank you, Akatsuki, for being here again. Thank you for joining. How are you, Akatsuki?
Akatsuki Juje. Akatsuki Juje.
Hi, Obas Martinez.
What it means. It's a beautiful day.
I don't understand you guys.
Can you speak translate in English, please?
Come on, that's it. Ay, thank you.
Tama na yan. Lili ha.
Pag kita stand. Thanks. Kita na stand.
Hi, thank you 17 people. Oh my god. Thank you guys. How are ya? It's a beautiful night. Ta-da-ta-ta. Hi, Carlos. How are ya? Thank you, 20. William, you are sexy. Oh my god. Thank you, William. You always say that. 21 people. Thanks so much. "13 people in the house. Hello. Stand up, please, for me. I ate now.
Ano ka
Go eat. Thank you. Thank you, 15 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, 10 people. Sulaiman, what is your name? Hi. I'm Sulaiman, hello. Where are you from? Scott Hudson, I want some. You want some? For 10 people in the house, thank you so much. Thank you and happy holidays to you and all. Thank you, Scott. Who's done? Who's done? Thank you, Scott. You're still live po. Oh my God. Yes po. Oh my God. I'm still on the live. From the market going here. Still live.
Thank you po. Thank you, John. What would you like for a present for what would you like? What would you like for a present for Christmas? Present for Christmas. I like healthy, wealthy. Yeah, that's it. Quality life, comfortable life, and healthy. Family reunion, that's our family is complete. Yes, like we all be together, our family. Okay, I will gift you. Really? Send the gift. Thank you so much, Scott Houston. Thank you for the gift. Thank you so much. Hi, Ronel. Thank you, Ronel. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining here again. How are you, Sir Ronel? Where in the Philippines are you? I'm in Bicol Province, Philippines. Bicol Province, Philippines. You don't know what is it yet. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Oh my god. Thank you, John. Oh my god. What are you doing? Already night there, John. Maybe you're ahead from here. What time is here now? Maybe what time is there? Maybe not 10, 9 there, 9 p.m. there in Australia. I think. Never been to Bicol. Only managed Manila before. Okay. At least you visiting here on the Philippines. Here in the Philippines. 9:16 p.m. Here. 6:46 p.m. here. Good, thank you, kids are playing tonight. Yeah, they're playing outside. They're playing basketball. The kids, teenager. They're still playing. Thank you, 32 people. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Baby, my heart stick around. Thank you so much, 13 people in the house. 18 million here. Oh my God, so good. Yeah. So good. So good po. So good po. So good. 22 the likes. So good. So good.
Allah.
Di ka ang nararamdaman sa panaginip ko na lang malalaman. Nawawalay ka na. Ba't binabawi yung
yung like. Leonard Johnson. Hi, Leonard Johnson. It must get dark about 5 p.m. Yes, it must get dark here in 5 p.m. Yeah, about 5 p.m. here. Early. But summer is still, still like, still having us, oh my god, lights. Not yet dark. Dark 30. God, thank you. Do you have television? Yeah, have television here, but not here at the room. Our parents' room, my parents' home. Our parents' home, they have a TV, television. Can you get a satellite there, like an 8 inches small satellite for TV? 18 inches satellite. Yeah, the kay.
Naman ko ang cellphone.
Gabriel.
Mura man din ang cellphone mo ba?
Ang tag din. Naman ko ang kayo. O, tag mo. Oh, kay.
Do you ever watch
Wala
that?
naman.
Yeah, no time for watching TV because I'm working, work at home, and then I do live. When I have a free time, I do live. When I'm working, but I'm doing live when free time. Yeah, no time for watching TV. Yep. No time. That's why watching TV like almost on the politics about inches at inch 18-inch I don't know what is that. I don't know about that. The 18 inches satellite. I don't know about that. Promise. 18 inches satellite. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know that. I don't know. What is that? Me neither. Yeah, I was thinking like this, sure, or whatever those little satellite. Yeah, I think the little satellite that's like a box, like something like this, like. Me neither. Janderson, do you eat balut? No. I don't know. Sorry, I'm not eat balut. I think you're dreaming. Dash we have companies here. Dash network. There is small like 18-inch satellite dish. Satellite dash. I think you're dreaming. I'm dash. Satellite dash. Okay. Satellite dash. Do you cook lumpia? Yeah, I can cook lumpia. I do cook lumpia. Lumpia. How you know this food? I don't know if you had something like that in the Philippines. Yeah. Because I don't know about that maybe. Or maybe the rich people have that, know that about that satellite. But maybe they can afford that, but me, I don't know. I don't know about that. That's why. But you got Wi-Fi. You could just buy a smart TV. So easy to so easy to say that, but uh, what is the lumpia like? Lumpy porridge. The lumpia is like oh my god, just a roll. The It's a roll from the wrapper. Roll the wrapper, the pork or vegetable lumpia. It's a wrapper. It's a roll from the wrapper. It's really difficult to explain.
Ang yam sa mo, sarap.
No, not porridge. Oh my god. Hey Mark. What is that? Like a spring roll, yes. The spring rolls, yes. That's like the spring wrap done. Like an egg roll. Egg roll. Like a roll. It's like a roll. Just it's a roll, yeah. So sometimes the biggest is this, the lumpia, or sometimes this, the size or the big. And then like this, it's a roll. This it depends on the who cook. Oh, let me try one more time. You know, like a dish, and the space right, but you put it on your roof or whatever you and point it out this in the sky. Ah, okay. Ah, yeah, that's why. No here. That's why I don't know. Are you the boss there? I mean, like over the family, or you considered like the head of the family? Maybe like a breadwinner, something like that. I'm the head of the family because I'm with the gap. Do you drink San Miguel? Yeah,
Ay, bawal mag-inom arak.
I drink San Miguel. Janderson. This New Year. I want to drink San Miguel. Ah! Yes, Mark. That's a dish. Not a inch. 18-inch satellite. Ah, okay. Hi, Cheryl. I just got off night shift. Just having a coffee and a bad gel before bedtime. Thank you, Sir Patrick Masters. Thank you, Sir Patrick Mac Masters. Thank you so much for dropping by here, passing by here. Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. It's a dish. Now I know about that. Thank you for sharing. Just stop the light. Enjoy your coffee, Sir Patrick Mac Masters. Nasa isip kahit sa magpunta araw gabi tayong buwan araw gabi How was your Christmas day? The Christmas day is good. I'm with my family and yeah. It's, happy Christmas. Merry Christmas. The Christmas is a merry. Your house is crowded. No. The outside is the kids are playing basketball.
I see that, yeah, the family respects me. Thank you, yeah. Crowded, yeah. You're right, the crowded at the home because I'm living with my parents, but I have a separated room. No kitchen. I have own kitchen. That's why I cook my parents' kitchen, parents' room. Cheryl, I'm sorry I couldn't explain it better. I apologize. It's okay, it's fine. It's okay, Mark. No worries. Pagbibig kaya ito. Kaya isang bira. I haven't paid the cable bill. We have cable here, you know. In the United States, I haven't paid the cable bill in over 5 years. Oh my God, why? Because of the dish satellite. That's cold. We're all friends here. Yes, it's cold. Thank you, guys. Christmas Day was only day off. Yeah, I spent it with my wife and stepdaughter and one of my friends whose mother is Jehovah's Witness. He didn't want to be alone on Christmas. Oh wow. Okay, thank you, Sir Patrick. Yeah. Here having Jehovah's Witnesses here also, but a lot of religions nowadays here having an born again Mormons, too many Jehovah's Witnesses, too many religious here like Iglesia Ni Cristo, Muslim, what else? But many Christian religion. Oh, sweet. Hi, Baba. Yes, oh, Baba. Inday. Wow, beautiful. Sorry, ma. Thank you for 29 people in the house. My God. Patrick, did you really? That was very nice of you. Thank you, 15 people. I spent 6 hours cooking the Christmas turkey, potatoes, carrots, corn, peas, turkey stuffing with gray and pickles. What hard working you are, Patrick. Cooking. Very hard working. That's great for you. Get to hear that man cook for Christmas. No, because we have free TV now. We know what smart TVs, and I mean you can pay for cable for a certain channel, but I don't. I have free TV. Wow, what a smart TVs. Wow, my. Are you close to Subic Bay? No, but having a here also called Subic Bay. It's called Matnog in Matnog, Bicol, having a Subic Bay. But in the other, the other Subic Bay, we are far from here. Far here in Subic Bay. They watch you. They watch me. This side. Lagi ang aking darumay. Laging ako. Who's yelling? I don't know who's yelling. I don't know. The kids outside maybe. Yeah, who's yelling? The hi Didi it's Didi what is Lowe? Good morning, Shara. Good morning, Lowe. What Didi it's Good morning, Lowe. This lonely ghost. What time is it? Time here now? 7 p.m. 7:06 p.m. Hi, Ian. Hi, Lan. Ian. Ian? Lan or Ian? Hello. And how are you doing? Very beautiful. I'm doing live. It's like her phone with all the apps and things on the smartphone, but it's just for the TV. For the TV, so there is free TV. There's free movies usually with commercials, but not always. Oh, really? Wow. Maybe not available here in the Philippines, but maybe only on United States and America. Not available here, maybe. It looks like they are playing basketball. Yeah, they're playing basketball. Look, they're playing basketball outside. I need coffee. Yes, need coffee, John. Coffee's life. Drink coffee. Why, Rod? Why you say that, Rod? 37 people. Did you enjoy your trip into town? Yeah, I enjoy. I will enjoy if I have some. Yes, it is possible. Oh my God. Oh my God po, John. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Sure again. It looks like Shara's even better looking than 10 seconds ago. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Patrick McMasters. Thank you po. Don't start po. Oh my God. Do you like Taylor Swift? Yeah, I like Taylor Swift. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why her again? What happened? Oh my god. Can't stop. Oh my god. Time for bed. I've noticed. Love. Soon. Start early. Too early here. Okay, I'm going to bed. Hope you, oh wait. Hope you, see you next live. See you next live, guys. Thank you, John Darson. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Patrick McMaster. Thank you, John. Thanks so much. Thank you, Loie. Thanks a lot. Bye, Beauty Queen. Thank you so much. There I used to be an Asian cooking show in the late 80s or early 90s called Work with Yan. It was really funny and her purposely made stereotype Asian humor. Ah, okay. You have Lazada. Yes, I have Lazada. Have Lazada here. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Hope you join next live. Thank you. Bye bye.